Hello guys, this is Maninu Sam. Today I will tell you about the Gemini Pro version for the students. It's valid for 1 year. Now Pakistani students also avail this opportunity. So I will show you how to avail that opportunity. So firstly, you have to open the Google, then write student Gemini offer. Click on this. Then click on this link on the top, and then it will show you this. It will land you on this page like Google Gemini free pro plan for students. It valid for 1 year. Get unlimited chats, image uploads, and quick generations with more access of 2.5 Pro model. This is the most advanced model currently in the Gemini Pro. Also deep research, audio reviews, and also the main thing is it will give you 2 TB of storage. This is for students only, and offer ends on 9 December 2025. So before that, avail this opportunity. It's a great opportunity for Pakistani students. So don't miss it. Then you have to click on the get offer. It will land you on this page like Gemini University students get Gemini on Google Air Pro for 1 year free. This is for 1 year. You can see 0 per month for 12 months. Otherwise, you have to pay 5,600 per month for Gemini Pro. It's also include like 2 TB storage, premium plan, benefit Gemini, Gmail docs, and more. Notebook animate, video generation, writing help, homework help, and exam preparation. These are all included in Gemini Pro. So we can start now. Click on the verify eligibility. It will land you on this page like Google One. Verify your student status. Just click now. Write the country, Pakistan. School, write your university name. Write the university name. Write your first name. Make sure you didn't do a single mistake. Write your first name, write your last name, your month, date of birth. And write your email address on which you want to get a Gemini Pro version. I will show you the limit exceed just because I already get the Pro version before. So when you enter on this, it will land you on your university websites. It will verify your student status, and after that it will show you the another page to enter your card details. You have to put your card details in like a bank card, ATM card details. It will store their details and not do any transactions. Don't worry. If you have a SadaPay account and also you enter SadaPay details on that, it also verify your student status and give you a Gemini Pro version. So after that you will get an email like this. Thank you. You have signed up trial subscription from Google. And one more thing, you have to cancel the subscription before the date you apply, and after that the next year. I applied 15 October 2025, so it will end on 15 October 2026. I have to cancel that subscription before this date. So if you also get the email like this, you can cancel anytime before the date through this link. So these are the emails you got when you got the Gemini Pro version. So these are the process. It's take only 1 to 2 minutes. So don't miss this opportunity about this. And if you have any questions or any feedbacks, then just comment and like videos and subscribe the channels. I will always there to help you. So goodbye. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Bye.